Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's MariaDB DB tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install MariaDB in Ubuntu 24.04 LTS and access from the remote server. So we are going to access from the particular server for the MariaDB. So here is the step-by-step guide to the install MariaDB on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Step 1, we'll go through the firewall's configuration. Default firewall, we'll check the status of the Ubuntu UFW status. Then we will just allow if that is enabled, then we'll allow the SSH, then we'll allow the 3306. This is the port for the MariaDB. So I'm running with the virtual server with VMware workstation. I'm going to access 192.168.224.129. This. So first step, we'll go through the sudo ufw status. So this is the inactive. So what I'll do, I'll just sudo ufw enable. I'll enable the firewall. So firewall is active and enable on the system set startup. Now I am going to allow the SSH. Done. Going to allow 3306. This is the default port for MySQL, MariaDB. So update the system packages. I'm going to update the system packages sudo apt update. So update is done. Now I'm going to upgrade that packages apt. So upgrade is also done. Now next step 3, install the MariaDB server. Install the MariaDB server packages. So this is the command for the installing the MariaDB sudo apt install MariaDB server, and we are giving the permission Y. So installation is started. So MariaDB installation is completed. Now I'm going to check the MariaDB version. So MariaDB. So I'm running with the MariaDB 15.1. Okay. Next step will say secure MariaDB installation. Run the security script to improve the security of your MariaDB installation. So that is a command sudo mysql underscore secure underscore installation. Enter your current password for the root. I'm giving the admin@123. Switch the unique socket authentication. No. Change your root password. No. Remove anonymous user. Yes. Disallow remote login. Yes. And remove test database and access into it. Yes. And reload the privileges. So done. Now step 5, enable the start MariaDB service, ensure the MariaDB enable and running. So we'll enable the MariaDB for the system startup, and now I'm going to start the MariaDB. Now check the status. So MariaDB is running. So let me check with the login. Sudo MySQL minus u root minus p. So we are logged in. So logged into MariaDB. Let me open with the another tab. Some underline, remove the underline. SSH DPT 192.168.224.224.129. So here we are already logged in. I'm going to exit from this console. So we have logged in. So next, create the database user and optional to create the test database user for verification. So MySQL minus u root minus p. So logged in. Now I'm going to create the database. So create database and testdb. Okay. So database is created. Now I am created for the local. So create user testdb for the local host identified by password. So I'm giving the password. Then give the privileges for the particular database, all the tables or particular tables you can give. Here is the star test db is the database, and here is the table name you can give. So I'm giving the star for the all the tables for the local host, and now I'm going to plus the privileges and exit. Now I'm trying to log in with my test user. So MySQL minus u test user and minus 3. So logged in. So databases, it will show you the your test database and information schema only, because this is dependent upon the particular database, so it will show it like that. Now I want to access this database with the another IP. So just assume SSH DPT at the rate 192.168.224.130. Okay. So now I'm trying to access MySQL minus u minus h hostname 192.168.224.129 minus u test user minus p. Okay, I have to install the client, so I'm going to install the client. Now I'm running the same command. It is asking the password. So the error of 2002 HY000 cannot connect the server on this IP, because that one I have created for the localhost only. See, this one for the localhost. Now I'm going to create one more user and database that is for the particular IP. This is 130. This IP is 130. Here is a 130 IP. I have my database running in the 129. So here what I'll do, I'll just create one more MySQL minus u root minus p. I'll create one more database for the testing purpose. Same command. This one I am running. Then I'm giving the permission for the particular IP. Then plus privileges. Now let me check with the user 2, test user 2, asking the password. Plus privileges, test user 2. Let me restart. And now let me check with the another IP. MySQL minus size 192.168.2.129 user test user 2, then P admin at the rate 123. Why? Okay. Allow the remote access optional. If you want to allow the remote connection, edit the MariaDB configuration file. So I forgot that. So I have to allow here the bind address should be for the all the nodes. It should be 0.0.0. Restart. Now let me check. So connected. So databases, you can able to see there is a test db2 is accessible from second user. So we have done this one. Verify the MariaDB installation. We have done this, and we have accept from the remote server. This is another server. This one is server 1. This one server 2. So enable the automatic update. It's recommended, but in production I'm not doing this one. So you can run this one automatically. The MariaDB updates will come automatically update. And final one, the backup MariaDB optional but not recommended. You want to just dump all the databases, so you can run this command. So, done. You can check. So backup.sql file is created. So MariaDB is now successfully installed on the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Let me know if you encountered any issues. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section and follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe and like for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.